Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equaser. In this video we are going to use this TI-30XS scientific calculator to learn how to work with power, roots and inverse. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's see how we can work with power, roots and inverse value. Now if you want to do 5 squared, we just type 5 and then this button squared, and if I press equal, the answer is there. Or you can continue 5 squared plus something. You can do it also 5 with this button. This is for any power. In this case also we can do 2. If you want to do such expression, so second function, and you see we are in classic mode. I have to go mode, you see classic, come down, go to math print, enter, clear. Now second function, square root, and then fraction. Now we can do 8 times sine of 45, close the parenthesis, go with the arrow to the right or low. Let's go this time just low. 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7, and then enter. It has been evaluated. Now to do this expression, we press second function square root and then 3 squared plus 2 to the power, let's say 4, and enter. That's the answer. For the inverse, first we have to understand that 1 over 5 is equal 5 to the power minus 1, so we can represent it that way as well. For example, 1 over 200, if you have it, we can just type 200 and press this button. You don't need to type 1 or over, just press this. It's already 1 over 200, and if you want to toggle it, here is the answer. Now let's see how we can do this expression. 5 squared plus 4 to the power, and then 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, and then equal. It has been evaluated. If you need to do to the power minus 2, for example, 10 to the power, for minus we use this minus 2, and that's the answer. We can talk to do 10 to the power minus 2, we do 10 to the power. For the minus we use this minus and then 2, enter. We can toggle it if you want to see it like that. Now to enter 6th root of something instead of square root, we press 6, second function, this button, and then 64, for example, and that's the answer. If you want to enter pi is a direct button here. I press it, press enter, you see the pi, toggle it to see the actual value. If you want to do 2 times pi, 2, just pi, you don't even have to do the multiplication. 2 pi and toggle it to see it. So keep in mind that in calculation we have a lot of decimal places, but on the display you see here it says 5.3, it has been rounded as 5.4. So more values are not displayed, but in calculation they are considered. Now let's have an example. It says what is the area of the circle with a radius 12 centimeter? We know the formula A, or area, is equal pi r squared. R is in this case in the question 12, so we do pi 12 squared and enter. That's the value in terms of pi. If you want to toggle it, you can get decimal value. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for this TI-30XS scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also if you have comment or question, post it below the video. Share the video. I appreciate it. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.